Also located inside Taipingsan Forest Recreation Area is the Jianqing Historical Trail. In recent years, it's become famous worldwide. Now it's a must-see for visitors to Taipingsan.
It's so quiet and beautiful here.
This is our Jinqing Historic Trail. You can see right now it's covered in fog. Whoever named it Jinqing, meaning turned clear, was probably hoping to see some clear skies, so it's a kind of a sarcastic name.
Hoping for clear skies. I've heard this place was named one of the world's 28 most beautiful trails by CNN, right?
Right,
The only one in Taiwan?
yes.
Wow, the fact that it was the only winner from Taiwan goes to show that it's really worth the trip.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Now this track was originally used to move materials up and down the mountain.
Oh, yes.
It's been restored with the original tracks in place. On both sides, there are lots of evergreen, red cypress, and Taiwan cypress trees. So walking in this forest is really
Relaxing.
Yeah, good stress relief.
Yes.
Now that we are here, it looks like the oldest tracks are here.
They're covered in moss.
These are the original freight tracks.
Oh, the plants are growing on it.
Yeah, it's all moss.
Yes, actually, the supports underneath have already rotted.
Yeah.
So, for safety reasons, we've built a boardwalk next to it. It's a boardwalk. Along the boardwalk, there's a lot of historical remnants related to transport in the mountains. The two of you can take your time seeing this former logging site.
Sounds good.
Jinqing Historic Trail is part of Taipingsan's Jinqing Forest Railway. Along with its 0.9 kilometers, the unique forest railway has been preserved. You can see tracks, wooden trestles, log cart axles, and other historic remains merging with nature amid the fog to create a quietly beautiful trail, echoing sounds of the past.
That tree is enormous.
It really is. Look how thick its roots are. There is a hole.
What's in there?
Oh my god.
What?
Will, look.
Let me see.
It's like a cave.
Over there.
Do you see it?
1,000 squirrels could live here.
You can see the sky from here.
It's huge. Why is it hollow? That's unusual.
Must be dead, but it's still here.
The outside is still here.
Wow. So now that we walk from the trailhead to here, from the beginning of the trail to here, what do you think?
I think I'm not allergic anymore.
Right?
The air is so fresh. It just smells like trees. No pollution at all. And I think the way the trees are half hidden in the fog has that hazy kind of beauty.
That's right. Let me tell you. I walked so many trails in Taiwan. 100 peaks, 100 minor peaks, Green Symphony Trail, I've done it all. Then I heard this place was chosen as the most beautiful trail in Taiwan. And I thought, say who? Everyone, to those of you watching, it's true.
It deserves it.
Walking this trail, we saw those little plants growing on the tracks, and then we saw that incredible, beautiful...
Bed of moss.
Yes, and the water.
Was incredibly clear.
Yeah, it really was.
You could see everything under it so clearly.
Oh, I have to say, we've seen so much good stuff already. Do we keep going?
I don't think it's over yet. There should be more ahead.
Oh, there should be more, right?
Yeah, let's keep going.
No wonder international media named this trail one of the most beautiful in the world. We spot plenty of travelers from all over exploring this place of quiet beauty. The tracks, boardwalk, and hanging bridge are popular spots for tourists to take beautiful photos. If you get a chance, you don't want to miss walking along the fog-wreathed tracks and soaking in the deep peace here. The Yilan River is the Yilan's Plains Mother River. It flows down from the Syrian Pass, altitude 1,948 meters, in Nansen village Datong. In the upper reaches, the terrace formed by the river gorge and the other natural forces is Taiwan's largest producer of summer vegetables. It's been called the home of cabbage. From night to dawn, it's the ideal time for the Atayal people of the Siji Nansen area to harvest cabbage. Will, the knife you're holding, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just learned a move. Let's see if I can harvest a cabbage.
Let's see it.
First, you brush the others aside.
Oh, and then?
And then you chop it off.
Oh, nicely done.
Do I pass?
Yes, good enough to work here. Good enough to work here.
Right now it's 5 a.m. We're at a cabbage farm in Nanshan Village, Datong.
The people behind us are already harvesting cabbage.
Their basket is full already. I can't believe they start so early.
It's because our vegetables need to go to Taipei to auction markets like the Taipei Egg. So we harvest at night and then send them over.
Oh, they're fresh.
Fresh.
Freshness is important.
They produce a lot. It goes all over Taiwan.
Datong's total production accounts for 70% in the summer.
Incredible.
Yes.
So whenever we're having hot pot in Taipei and I put cabbage in the pot, most come from here.
Yes, 7 out of 10 heads come from this place here.
Why makes Nansan Village so good for growing cabbage?
We're in northeastern Taiwan here. Humidity is higher here. In Nanshan, in the evening and in the morning, we always get fog, and then the dew from the fog collects on our vegetables. It makes them crispier and sweeter.
Are they moving so fast so it stays fresh?
You have to be fast, yes.
Watching the pickers hard at work, sweating as they harvest cabbage, remind us how wonderful it is to be grateful for what heaven has given us. Just like the crisp sweetness of every basket of lush green cabbage is worth carefully savoring. The beauty of the setting sun, the vast mountains, and the vitality of the Atayal people bring our journey to Datong to a perfect conclusion. This place, it's amazing.
It's so calm and peaceful.
Our whole trip to Datong has been about nature. Our last stop is still a place that feels like nature.
We've been to a lot of mountains and plenty of forests. We've seen a lot of trees and gone to an indigenous community.
It's a lot.
I remember there was a long period where our phones had no signal at all, truly immersing ourselves in nature.
Yes, having no signal meant that we were really deep into our trip.
Taiwan still has lots of places that are worth exploring. Linking 368 Taiwan, which town will we visit next?
See you next time!
专心华丽专心，咱做伙华丽传承。伫汉子啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强玉起，坚强玉起，咱斗阵坚强玉起，成为一尾坚强有活力的台湾。